This is a handlebars template. It uses those double curly braces to inject data into HTML. It's used by Node.js applications to render web pages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's view the template. Let's take a preventative approach first. A universal viewer can often read a HBS file even if its header is corrupt. Stay tuned for more info on my specific software suggestion. A HBS file is a web template created using the Handlebars.js templating language. Web developers use these files to generate dynamic HTML content by combining static markup with data objects. Users search for this to understand how to edit the template syntax or integrate it into their web projects. The HBS file is a plain text file containing standard HTML markup interspersed with embedded handlebars expressions, denoted by double curly braces. This design intentionally separates logic from presentation, allowing designers to work on the HTML while developers manage the backend data. For viewing and interaction, HBS is most commonly opened via Microsoft Visual Studio Code from Microsoft Corporation. Only basic attributes are visible within the standard Windows File Explorer. Windows treats them as text by default, so interpretation is handled by the write runtime. To unlock the data, right-click the HBS file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Visual Studio Code if available. If it's absent, choose another program. We must determine which app can properly read the header. If your HBS file still refuses to open, stay calm. This HBS format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, opening for editing. Open HBS files in Visual Studio Code with the Handlebars extension, which provides syntax highlighting Emmet support, and IntelliSense for handlebars expressions. Other editors like WebStorm, Sublime Text, or Atom also support handlebars through extensions. Configure the editor for proper syntax recognition for productive template development. Next, compiling templates. Use Node.js with the Handlebars npm package to compile and render HBS templates programmatically. Install with npm install handlebars and use handlebars compile to convert templates into reusable functions. Express.js applications can use Express Handlebars middleware for automatic template rendering in web application routes. Finally, live preview tools. Use online handlebars playgrounds at tryhandlebars.js.com or local development servers with hot reload for live template development. Tools like Assemble Metalsmith or Hexo provide static site generators using handlebars templates with built-in preview capabilities. These workflows enable rapid template development with immediate visual feedback. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.